welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Justenia. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell button, that way you guys get notified every time I upload a video. So for today's video, it's going to be a really exciting video for me. I've been trying to film this video for so long. I don't know why it has taken me this long, which is going to be a tour of all my beautiful babies, my plants. I love them so much. I actually started getting into plants like I probably could say a year and a half. I started with 2 at first because I was like, maybe I'm not gonna be good with plants. I don't want to kill them, so I was a little bit scared to start buying like a lot of plants. But this year, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, guys, you know this year I've been going crazy. Like, I have bought so many plants. You guys can see them behind me. There's some on the side for me. I am not the best plant mom yet, but I'm learning every day. I have killed some plants, which hurts me so much, but like I said, I'm learning. It's a learning process. So if you guys want to see all my plants that I have, then just keep on watching. So I'm gonna start with the first plant that I ever got and how I started getting obsessed with plants, which is this one right here. This is a snake plant, and I'll put all the names of the plants here on the screen for you guys to see it, because some of them have difficult names that I don't know how to pronounce. But this is my first plant ever. I always wanted a snake plant. I just think they're so beautiful and they're so easy to take care of. Like, if you guys are new to plants, I would recommend this one because this one is the easiest to take care of. And I just have it in a little basket, and I just have that in the bottom so it gives a little bit lift. Most of the baskets where I have them or pots are from Goodwill, so they are thrifted, which is good because they're cheaper. Some are from Home Goods. Moving on to the other plant that I have over here. So this one is a rubber plant. This one is also like a really easy plant to take care of. They're so beautiful. And as well, I have it in a basket, and then I just have the little stool. And over here I have my favorite plant at the moment. This one is so gorgeous. It's called Monstera plant. I believe that's how you say it. This one is so beautiful. What I like about it is that, do you guys see the leaves? How they are like open, they rip. So they usually start, let me see, like this, and then they'll start getting like little rips here and there, and they become like this. They're so pretty. And I have heard that these get really big. I hope it does, because right now it's not that big and it's kind of like low. Like, I want her to grow all the way over here, but I don't know if it's gonna get that big. If you guys know more about this plant, let me know, because this plant is still new to me. I only been having this plant for maybe 3 months or so. So I already came with this. So basically it's somewhere in the bottom. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see. It's tied up right there, so that way it grows up. It doesn't grow wild, because they did tell me that these ones grow wild. So if you don't have something that is making it go up, it's just gonna go to the sides, but it doesn't look that pretty. So that's why I kept that there. And when I got this plant, it has had a lot of growth. Like, most of like the big leaves, like this ones, it didn't have them until I brought it home, and they've been coming out. So I guess I'm taking good care of it because it's having, you know, big leaves coming out. So I'm really happy with it. This is like, right now, she's my favorite. I love her. Moving on over here, I don't know what the name of this one. This one is a succulent. So it was a gift. When they gave it to me, this flower, you can see the little flower right there, it was really big. It was this big, and then it seemed like it was dying, and it regrowed. And these are growing. There's little flowers here too. I don't know if you guys could tell. They look like little flowers. See, there's like little flowers. But as you guys can see, like, a lot of the leaves are dying. So I don't know, probably it's not happy in this area, because usually succulents like a lot of light. But see, I have it next to the window, so it gets the most light that I can give it. If it keeps on like dying on me, it looks kind of like it's dying. I'm probably just gonna put it outside, because yeah, I wanted to grow back to how it was. So these are all the plants that I have in this area, which are mainly like on the floor. And then on the top I have this pothos. Is so beautiful. It just looks really pretty up there, and I just have it hanging in the thing that is for the plants. I do need to cover those holes right there. used to have a curtain right here, but I removed it because that way I get more light in. So this plant is here and she's growing really well. She's giving me a lot of growth. So you guys could see right here, this is a new leaf that's gonna come out, another new leaf, another one here. So it's having a lot of leaves, and I can't wait for this one to grow really long, because usually these get really long. It's gonna look so cute. And I just put this mirror here. It used to be in my bedroom, and I just think it looks really nice because it just gives it a lot of also light. So I just want to show you guys this little corner, how everything is decorated. I really like how it looks, and the plants just look beautiful. Also, I do have this window right here, which it brings all the light to my plants, and so far my plants, I think they like where they are positioned on, because it's getting the right amount of light. So let's move on to this side, and this is where I have most of my plants. So my kitchen is in the back, and hopefully you guys can see my mess, but I have this top counter, which I guess is like if you want to eat like breakfast and like have like some stools here and you could eat there, but I never used it for that. I wanted to put something here that it could cover most of that counter. It will hide basically the kitchen in the back, because I don't want to see, sometimes, you know, I have my mess, or I don't want to see my dishes or whatever I have in the kitchen. So I thought this would be perfect to just put a lot of plants, and especially because the light, like I mentioned, is coming from this side, so it's given enough light for these plants to be happy where they want to be, and it has worked out so far. Most of these plants I've been having them for months, some of them for almost a year. So I'm gonna start with another pothos, and it's so pretty. This is my other baby. I just love her because this one is huge. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell how big she is. Like, she's just huge. When I got her, she wasn't this big. She was smaller. She was probably just like the top, and I think she was just until like right here, and she's been having all of this grow. If you guys are new with plants, this is another easy plant to have, because they could be in low light and they'll be fine, and they just grow and grow, and they're just happy plants. Like, they don't give you a lot of trouble. So I do have it in this pot, and then I bought this little basket from Home Goods as well. It's not as tall as I want it to be. It still shows the pot, but it's fine. I think it still looks cute. And I just want to show you guys this, what I have in the back. I don't want to get too close. So basically, it's like a little sticky paper that is for flies or any like little insects. And I don't know if you guys could tell how full it is, but it's, let me zoom you guys in. It's kind of nasty, but you see all those little bugs, and I don't know where they came from. I honestly do not know, because I don't see them. But I guess there's like a lot of little bugs. I think it's probably when I opened the door, because it's been hot lately, and they come in. So instead of getting into my plant and destroying it, they get stuck in that sticky paper. And I got that from Amazon. Moving on, you guys probably gonna still see the mess I have in the background, so just don't mind that. I have another snake plant, and I have it in this little pot, and then it has like a little stand. Let me see if you guys can see from here. I have the little stand, and at the stand in the pot, I think I bought it from Marshall's, and it just looks really cute right there. I don't know why I keep on saying they look all cute, because they are. All my plants are my babies, and they're so gorgeous, and I just love them. And all my plants, if you guys notice, I call them she, because I don't know why I started doing that. So I guess they're all girls. I'm not trying to discriminate, but I don't know, I just started calling them all she. So in the bottom, I have this cactus, and this is an angel wing cactus. It is so pretty. I don't know if you guys could see the white detail that it has. It is really cute, and I just have it in this little pot that I got from probably another thrift store. I don't remember. I don't know if you guys could see this little jar. So this jar, it lights up, and I usually turn it on at night, and it just looks really cute, because it just gets light from the side. And I really like putting like a little bit other details besides plants here. I just wanted to decorate it really pretty, so I have that. And then moving on to this side, so I have this frame, which I know you can't really see the picture or most of the frame, but the reason why I wanted to put a frame here is because I wanted to cover most of this space so it wouldn't look, like I said, to the back where is my kitchen, and it will cover more. So I think it still looks cute and it gives like a little cute detail. In the back right here I have another little jar that I got from Marshall's. That's what's holding my frame. And let's talk about this other beautiful plant that I have right here. This one is called a prayers plant. First time I got this plant, I got a little bit scared because at night all the leaves go up. So I was like, why is it doing this? I thought it was dying, and I was like, I just got it and she's already dying on me. So basically at night they pray, and that's why they're called prayer plants, because the leaves go up and they close down, kind of like two hands. I can't show you guys because I'm holding the camera, but kind of like two hands, you know, touching each other, praying. So that's what they do. It's just amazing what plants can do. Like honestly, they're so amazing. And I just have two magazines here because I just wanted to give it a little bit of height so it's not just flat, and also because for decor, you know, just wanted to add a little bit more items to decorate this spot and just look a little bit more cute, not just have plants randomly. So I don't know if you guys could tell, like my plants go like kind of high to, you know, higher, lower, low, high, lower. So they have like a different dimensions and heights and colors and sizes, because that's how I wanted to decorate my plants, and that's how I focus on buying all of these plants. I had that in mind, like how I wanted them to be, some higher, some, you know, lower, and also plants that I know they're gonna survive and they're not that hard to take care of. This one right here is my newest addition, and let me just show you guys why I think it's so pretty. Look at these leaves. They're so pretty. So that's how it's supposed to look. It's not like the other rubber plant that I have that is all green. I guess it's supposed to be like a pinkish red color, and they just look so amazing. Like look at that. And then here I have this little pot. Oh my god, this is so cute. Also probably from Goodwill, and this is just a propagate potus, and this one is just on water, so it's not on soil. And she's doing good because it had only one leaf, and now it has this one on the top. This one's new, and I think it was just this one, and as you guys can see, it's growing another one right here. So she's doing fine being in the water. Potus could be in the water as well. They don't have to be in soil, so she's good. And over here I have two candles. This one does light up at night, so this one is on a timer, so once the sun starts going down, it starts lighting up. It looks really good when this one is light up and that one's light up at night, so it just looks so cozy. This one basically I just have for the core because I never light it up, and I will never light it up because I'm scared that it's gonna burn my plants. And in the back I have this Oliveira, and this is the pot where it came from. And then the stand, I just had it from another pot, and I just put it here, and it's just really nice. And she's so easy to take care of. She's perfect for new beginners with plants. And let's move on to my most difficult plant that I have. She's so hard to take care of, but she's so beautiful. So this one is another type of prayer plant, and I'll put the name here because I don't know exactly how to pronounce the name. But if you guys are new to having plants, I wouldn't recommend it. She's beautiful, she's gorgeous, but she's hard. So let me show you guys just a close-up of how beautiful the leaves are. So it has a lot of tones, and then in the back, oh my god, look at that beautiful purple shade. It's so beautiful. I think it's called magenta medallion, something like that. I forgot, but she's so gorgeous. Look at her. So this plant as well, at night it goes in a prayer position, so basically all the leaves go up. So right now they're down, but she loves water so much. So basically with this plant I have to water her maybe every 3 days, which my other plants, they could probably last a week. Some of them could last even longer than a week. But her, if I don't put water almost every 3 days, she'll start going down. So all the leaves, it looks like she's dying. All the leaves would just droop all the way down. The first time she did that, I was like, oh my god, I already killed it. You know, because I read about it and I was like, this is a hard plant to take care of. she's gonna die on me. What am I gonna do? And I was just like, let me just try putting water and hopefully that will help. And the next day she was right back up how she looks right now, and she looked healthy and happy. And I was like, okay, maybe she was just thirsty. Next time she did it again, because like I said, usually I put water almost every week. She was dying on me again. I was like, okay, let's try water again. Same thing. So now I get her. She wants water every 3 days. She's hard. Yes, she is. But I love her. And she's beautiful. And she looks so pretty with my other plants. So it's okay. It's okay if she gives me a tough time. Like, it's fine. You know? And they just look so cute. And I love them. They're all my babies. But I do have more, guys. This is not it. I have a couple more. Let me show you. On my table, I have this other plant. This one is called Chinese money plant, and the leaves are just flat. I don't know if you guys could tell, but this one, it kind of looks like it just grows out wild. Like, just wild, like everywhere. I just need to buy like a different pot or something because I don't like this pot. It's not cute. Over here, I have my money tree, and she looks a little bit sad. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if you guys see how she's just kind of down. It looks like she's gonna have new leaves soon. So there's some right here, some over here. It's taking a little bit while because I've been having her for a while and she's not growing anymore. But I don't know. Let me know, you guys, if this is normal for this kind of tree to just look like this. Okay, so now let's go to this side. And on this side, I have this palm tree, and I don't know the name of it. So I just know it's a palm tree, and this was also one of my first plants that I ever got. So I got the snake plant in this palm tree. So she's been with me for a year and a half, and she's doing well. She likes this spot. Okay guys, so that's all the plants that I have. I want to kind of buy more, but I'm probably not gonna buy more right now because it's almost summer is almost over, so I don't know how winter's gonna go. I hope they all survive. I really don't want none of them to die, but we'll see how winter goes. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments below if you guys had a favorite plant or if you guys have any questions. I do want to make another video later on how to take care of them. Everything that I have learned so far, because every day like I am learning more things to do for my plants to survive, get bigger, you know, all of that stuff. So eventually I'll try to make a video like that for you guys. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, my loves.